Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play sports games on your Nintendo Switch. Many fans fondly remember Wii Sports, a beloved title from the Nintendo Wii console. However, it is important to note that the original Wii Sports game is not directly compatible with the Nintendo Switch. Instead, Nintendo offers a fantastic modern alternative called Nintendo Switch Sports, which captures the spirit and fun of its predecessor. We will explore how to get started with this exciting new experience. Nintendo Switch Sports brings a fresh take on the beloved sports genre. It initially launched with 6 exciting activities: soccer, volleyball, bowling, tennis, badminton, and chambara, a sword fighting game. Later, a free update introduced golf, expanding the fun to 7 distinct sports. You will use your Joy-Con controllers to perform actions like swinging a racket or kicking a ball, making the experience incredibly interactive and engaging for everyone. To begin your Nintendo Switch Sports adventure, you can purchase the game either as a digital download from the Nintendo eShop or as a physical cartridge from a retailer. Once you have the game, simply ensure your Joy-Con controllers are charged and ready. The game provides helpful tutorials for each sport, guiding you through the necessary movements. You can enjoy playing by yourself, with up to 3 friends in the same room, or compete against others globally online. While both games offer fantastic motion-controlled fun, there are key differences between Wii Sports and Nintendo Switch Sports. The original Wii Sports featured 5 activities, whereas Switch Sports expands this to 7, including new additions like soccer and volleyball. Switch Sports leverages the more precise Joy-Con controllers for enhanced gameplay. Crucially, Nintendo Switch Sports also offers robust online multiplayer, allowing you to compete with friends or strangers across the globe, a significant upgrade from its predecessor.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.